to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about a small story of a Drishyam movie. So let's begin it. So this film tells about the story of a Maharashtrian family who lives in Goa and who lives turned upside down when there is an older family, Anju, has skirmish with the college boy Samir at a nature camp. Anju's father, who is Vijay Sargavkar, tries to hard to protect his family. So he is a fourth grade dropout of an open. So Vijay has worked his way towards success with the Shri hard worker and the street smartness in order to provide for his family. So mean the world to him. So man of few means and needs. So Vijay Sargavkar, who believes the lives to be lived like a simplistically. His wife is Nandini, so she loves him devotedly. So in the end, he wants to the world offer a family. So the couple have the two daughters who name as Anju and Anu. So he is a student. So there is a one thing that Vijay cannot live without it. So in this, the passion for watching the films, uh, so he doesn't mind that staying up at all the night and his office bringing on the TV shows and all that. So at one day during the nature camp, Anju gets photographer in the bathroom. So by a hidden cell phone. So the culprit Swamit is the son of a Meera Deshmukh, Inspector of General of Police. So when Samir goes to their home to blackmail them, so there is an accident uh, happens. After that, the Nandini tells to the Vijay Sargavkar about the incident and all that. So he devises a way to save his family. So from the law. So he removes the broken cell phone and some of the how the inspector Gaitonde who has against the Vijay ex subsect. So there is something wrong with the way of the Sargakar's behavior. So Vijay take his family out of a weekend trip so to Panjim to attend the Swami Chimananda's satsang sessions. So to watch a movie and after that he went to at restaurant and all that. So in meanwhile, Mira, realizing that her son has gone missing, so she starts an investigation after that. So after that, the preliminary investigation, she calls Vijay and his family for questioning and all that processing. So after that, the Vijay had predicted that is would happen and taught his family how to speak to the police during the questioning and all that. So when he questioned individually, so they replied the same thing and they had also shown the bill of the restaurant, the movie ticket and the bus journey ticket has a proof of that being away on the dates when the summit got missing. So after that, the Mira even questioned the owners to the establishment. They have been to and their statements realizes that on the day of the incident. So Vijay had taken the tickets and the bill, made acquaintances with the owners and had gone to for the trip and his family. The next day, thus proving his and making the owners unwittingly tell the lie or that. So Mira arrests the Sargavkars and Galjonde using the brute force to beat the truth of them. So eventually Anu gives in and reveals the place where the boy is burned. After the digging the compost pit, they find the cast of a calf, so indicating that Vijay had moved a body from there. So Anu reports to the media and complains against the Gaitonde. So the sub inspector is suspended and later the Meera resigns from her post after that. So at the end, so Meera and her husband Mahesh so meet Vijay Sagarkar to ask the forgiveness for his rudeness and all the violent behavior. But Vijay indirectly tells them that he had got rid of the unwanted guest and all that. So back in the current day, so Vijay sign is registered and required by the cops. So the newly constructed local police station has the leaves a flashback shows him leaving the incomplete police station with the towel and in hand. So after that, when the Anju is trying to stop the Samir uh, from the attacking her mother Nandini, so she hits him with the blunt object. He falls down after that. So Nandini panics when she realizes that he has been struck dead. So quickly Nandini and Anju put his bag in a gunny bag and bury him in their own garden. Burn in him own garden. Although the investigation is no one from the Sargavkar's family, so talks about the Sam being uh, dead. So they play along with the police who only think that the boys has gone mess out and do not assume that he is dead and all that. So in the climax, so when the Vijay who is let free by the police, so because they are not unable to find a body, he smiles. So he questioned by another police guy who has taken over the investigation. So and the was to prove the Vijay guilt, and he asks him about the whereabouts of body and all that. So Vijay smiles because he has shifted the body from the composite pit behind his own garden and burn it right below the foundation laid for the new police station in that neighborhood. So after that, in this class's case, searching for the clue the world over by the never dreaming of looking for it in the backyard. So that's it. Thank you.